Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I'm gonna be letting my subscribers fix my beat. So recently I had a random comment on a beat that I posted like 3 years ago, saying I've come a long way, and you know what, I agree. My beats just weren't really good at that point, but it gave me an idea to see if someone could fix that one or another beat I made around the same time. I've done videos in the past where I fixed my subscribers' beats, and now it's time to flip the script. So I posted a few in my Discord, and the Cactus crew voted for the one they wanted to work on the most. So I'm gonna quickly break down my original version, then some of my Discord members are going to break down their versions too. Hopefully someone can fix it, and if you think they have, then let me know in the comments and vote for the best one. But let's get into it. Okay, so this is the original beat. I started off with a really simple pluck or bell melody, and that was from Omnisphere. I added halftime but set it to 50% just to get some low end. So I kind of like the melody, kind of catchy. Then for some variation, I just added effect tricks. I just dragged the reverse all the way across, and then that gave me this melody. Again, quite simple but catchy. Then I took a sub bass from Bassmaster. I added Fab Filter Satin to give it some saturation and high end, and then I also added Gross Beat just to give it some movement. So the movement's kind of subtle, but it added to the bounce. Next, I just added some simple trap drums and percussion. Quite a simple bounce. Then altogether it sounds like this. I think it's still got my old tag in too. So the beat's not too bad. It's got a nice bounce. The mix is a bit off. The kick's not really hitting hard enough. I think the idea was there, but it definitely needs some work. I like those little pauses. So yeah, really simple beat, but it's definitely one that has potential because the melody's kind of catchy. There's a lot of space for an artist to work on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go through all of the submissions and let's see if anyone can fix the beat.
Alright, so when I heard the older project from Jay, what came to mind was basically add a couple elements and switch up the genre a little bit. Do drill, but this time with acoustic drums. So yeah, I call it acoustic drill, and I believe it's a sub-genre that we could develop as a producer community. I started off with 2 stems from Jay's older projects, the melody stems. And then I added a guitar. Then an arp. Then from there I added some piano chord. Then I finally added a pad for some width and depth. I finally added a re-space to give it some bass in the intro. So since we're making acoustic drill, I decided it would be cool to replace 808s with a live bass. Alright, so with the drums, they're trying to simulate what a live drum would sound like. Alright, so for the hi-hats, basic hi-hat pattern. So from there, I added a crash and then an open cut. Alright, so from there, I decided to add in the kick and the snare to add more energy. And then for the drums, I finally added some drum fills, drum rolls to bring it to life, you know. And then yeah, I also added a couple effects, some bleeps, some crashes. Let's listen to the final product.
J Cactus.
I like you cut, G.
Yeah, first I had approach to do like a dance oriental beat, but then I just realized that's like doing too much, and that's not really like making the beat better and just repairing the beat, but like me just hopping on your loop and just doing my shit. So I just kept it like a trap beat and kept the original sample right here, the bells and the reverse bells, and this is the pattern. Like I just copied the MIDI that you did, and in this section right here I just got these stop notes and just put them in an octave, just the basic pattern on the bells. Yeah, I swapped the clap to this one and layered that with this snare. And then we got these 3 like hi-hat patterns. Like first one sounds like this. And like I put this other loop I had in the second part of the hook, and I'm just slicing it to the left like this.
Sad.
snowing. And yeah, I almost forgot the sub bass that you
Oh, yeah,
that
yeah.
you made. I just kept this one. We got the 808 right now. That's it for the beat.
And you killed it. Let's hear it from the
Yeah,
beginning as
thanks.
well.
J Cactus.
Shit sounds clean. Yeah, the bounce is much better on this one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, this is fire, man. What the fuck? LLB.
Yo, what's going on, man?
You're prod by Bilo.
I'll just jump in.
I thought the username looked a bit fishy,
under-
but I thought, you know, it could have been a serious one.
Yeah. I'll come in under the radar. Just try a little little remix.
I was waiting for the moment you'd like troll me back for all the times I got you on your live beat review streams.
I'm gonna keep it there for now. I'm gonna keep you on it, like, you know, keep you nervous whenever I send it in. I'll do like a remix.
Oh man, the beat was actually fire that you sent, so we're here now. You might as well break it down for everyone.
I appreciate it, man. Alright then, man. As I said, it's your boy Prod LLB. Let me show you how I jumped into Jay's beat and kind of messed around with it. So we actually changed quite a lot in this. Took all of the melodies out and just stuck with this original melody. Yeah, kind of like that. It was kind of catchy, had a nice bounce to it. So I took that, just took like an 8-bar of it, brought the tempo all the way down to 119 BPM, and then added a bunch of effects to it, like some halftime that just kind of comes in and out throughout the beat. Some sound shifter, just put it down by 2 semitones. EQ, bit of a gated effect with Ghost beat, and that also comes in and out throughout the beat. Bit of reverb, and then just to bring it all together, we put in some RC20 as well. And that basically just runs throughout the whole beat. Played with the octaves in certain points, added a bit of like a reverse thing over here. That was the only thing I kept in the beat that was from Jay, actually. Oh no, it wasn't actually. I kept the original bass too. Yeah, that was a real nice thick synthy bass, and yeah, it sounded sick as it was, so I just left it. After that, I came in with this little perk loop. Got this from one of my kits. Just added some halftime to that perk loop, and then just some EQ just to really make it sit in its own little pocket. Then the last sort of melodic part that I added to this beat was Toxic Biohazard. I don't know why, I just hadn't used it for ages, and it's got some cool pads in there. Just really subtle. So yeah, that was everything for the melody. Then we just came in with my own drums, man. Real simple bounce. Just put some trap drums in there. Bring the melody back in. And that's the full beat, man. Add in a couple of rises just to give it a nice arrangement. And yeah, you got yourself a full beat. So yeah, Jay, I'm glad you liked it, man. Just a little quick flip of your old beats. But yeah, peace out.